everyone. So I'm just unboxing some irises that I just ordered from Shriner's Iris Garden, and I'm so excited because I've been wanting to order from them for quite some time now. Shriner's Iris Gardens. They always have amazing looking irises, and I watch them on Facebook all the time, and I missed ordering any from them for fall planting, and I was checking out their sales, and I was really happy to find that they had potted irises available and ready for planting for spring. So these guys are all growing and they're awake. They're not dormant and they look wonderful. So they're like ready to plant pretty much now. I think I'm going to wait a little while because it's still really cold out. Irises are pretty hardy and can take it, but since they're not established, I'm a little hesitant to put them in just yet. But I'm going to get these guys out of the box. I'll show you how they look. We'll look over them together and show you what I got. So this is how they pulled right out of the box. They have like this little case, which is just a really cool way to pack these. And so far everything looks amazing. So here are my irises. They look really nice. I'm not going to fully unwrap them. I'm going to take a look at the crown of the rhizomes, and that's about it because I'm not going to put these into the ground just yet. Make sure everything is nice and firm. There's nothing mushy. They all look really healthy from what I can see already, but I'm going to do a quick investigation and then I'm just going to leave these guys off to the side until I feel more confident to plant them. So this one is Mimosa, which is just a beautiful pale yellow iris, bearded iris with, I don't know, she has like blonde champagne-y colored falls, and she's just so beautiful. So I can't wait to see what the fragrance is on some of these. So there's Mimosa. This is Brouhaha. Look at this one. Oh, she is so pretty. Can't wait to see this one bloom. Another tall bearded iris, and just looking amazing. I grow a lot of irises. It seems like you can't ever have enough irises, am I right? Because they're amazingly gorgeous. They can smell so beautiful, and they just put in amazing pops of color throughout your garden beds. And I've loved irises for a long time. Irises, roses, they just tend to be my big thing out in the gardens outside. And this one is Breezin', really pretty with the cranberry falls edged in white lacy edges, just beautiful. These are all tall bearded irises, so they'll get like 3 feet tall when they come up. This one's really nice. They look really good. So it looks like the Brouhaha, well, this one has 3 fans. The Mimosa had 3 fans. Breezin' only has 1 fan. And Brouhaha has 4 fans. That's amazing. What a good price. And I got them at a really good price. I don't remember what it was now. Maybe it'll say it on my paperwork. I want to say that it was like a 3 for, I don't know, $15, $19 deal. I really can't remember, so don't quote me. But it was just such a good price, and I had free shipping. So I just really couldn't go wrong. Look at how amazing these are. They look beautiful. So I really can't wait to get these into the garden and see how they do. Hoping that they bloom this year, since they aren't dormant and they are growing beautifully now and looking so healthy. I'm going to assume I'll see each one of these bloom this year, which will just be amazing. If they don't, no big loss. I've had some that I've put in like this before and I didn't see the bloom that year. I had to wait for the next year. It happens. But the idea of getting an iris that's not dormant and is potted and growing actively in the moment. The point is that you will have some blooms the year you plant them. It's not always guaranteed. So let's be hopeful. I hope to see the blooms. Really excited about these. Shriner's Iris Gardens. Everything always looks like amazing quality. Their catalogs are gorgeous. They have high quality catalogs, and they always have really good like buying offers, so you can buy groups of irises from them, and just amazing. So if you're new to irises, I will be doing more videos on them. Once they really start blooming outside for me, I'll be giving you guys like an iris tour and show you all the different varieties I have. And we'll just talk irises and great ways to grow them and how you can get beautiful irises in your gardens. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I hope you liked this unboxing with me, and I will see you next time. Bye.